Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Classes with me. So this video is regarding the news headlines with the newspaper of the Reference Mint. So the first news headline goes on Amazon will be going to extend their Diwali sale for a month. There's so many reasons that they are extending. First reason is that in the previous sale and regarding this sale there is a 60% increase of merchant in Amazon. Second, the two main competitors, first is Walmart, Flipkart, and second is Reliance JioMart. To compete them, Amazon is extending their Diwali sale. And third reason is that it's an insider news. Actually, if you read the newspaper, then you will get to know that Flipkart and Amazon both have invested $1 billion in themselves for this sale purpose only. So Amazon has decided that they will increase the sale up to mid of November, that is mid of October to mid of November. The sale will be there on the Amazon website. So happy shopping. So let's move to the second news headline. Second news headline is that McAfee antivirus founder John McAfee has been taken to custody. Yes, it's a real news, and this is a latest news. If I say in front of you that John McAfee has not paid taxes from 2014 to 2018, due to which US judiciary has taken him to the jail custody. If we look into the past business deals regarding McAfee, so McAfee has sold off their antivirus software to Microsoft in 2010 in 7.7 billion, and right now in 2014 to 18 John McAfee has not paid a single tax to US tax government. That's the reason he will be spending 5 years in jail. If he does not pay taxes, then also 1 year extra jail will be punished to John McAfee. So this is all about the second news. Now let's move to the third news headline. Third news headline is about artificial intelligence in our country. If we look into my previous news videos, then you will get to know that I have talked to you about artificial intelligence implementation in our country by PM Modi. Yes, right now the security chief of Microsoft has also told that India will be given the most of the priority in the AI sector in comparison to other countries, because the government is itself pushing the citizens of India, or we can say the AI expert, to implement their mind and intelligence in artificial intelligence. So the main thing about implementing AI is that agriculture and healthcare sector should be increased, because in India these two sectors are lagging some behind, but these two sectors should be increased. And after agriculture and healthcare, third thing which is to be kept in mind is that defense sector. Actually, if you see most of the developed countries like US etc., US is mainly focused on healthcare and defense sector. In this they are using 100% of artificial intelligence, including the experts. Artificial intelligence only on the spacecraft like NASA is using, and also the US Army is using. Not 100%, we can say 90%, because right now they are also in a developing stage. So this is all about the third news headline. Now let's move to the fourth news headline. Fourth news headline is about blue collar job. Actually, a Indian made app called Karya Mitra is providing job vacancies to the blue collar people. Actually, in this pandemic situation, most of the blue collar people like some technicians, or we can say some delivery boys, has been moving from metro cities to their villages, but there is lack of job, because this blue collar, most of the blue collar people are actually earning per day and serving food to their families. So to check into it, Karya Mitra, Indian job portal app, is helping them. They are helping this blue collar job people for technicians job, delivery boy job, pharma sector job, means pharma delivery job, and in this sector they are using it, and this has seen a good improvement. if we see the data from this app, it has been seen that in a month 18 million calls has been done from the candidate to the job profile HR. Yes, 18 million calls has been done, and the visit is tremendously high. But there is a issue in this, as it is a free job portal app, most of the fake companies are also coming in this job profile, and this is creating a huge problem in them. So maybe this fake job profile, or we can say the fake companies, get removed once they are into a check, because right now they have found it, and I hope this problem will be solved. So this is all about the fourth news headline. Now let's move to the fifth news headline. So the fifth news headline is about reopening of cinema halls, and there are some set of new rules and regulations. The first new rules and regulation is that those customer or the people, those who are coming to watch movies, if they are asymptomatic, then it is okay, then they will be allowed to get inside. But if they are symptomatic and are positive, then it is really not allowed to get inside. They will get a refund afterwards, but for the safety reasons, at that time they won't be allowed. Second thing is that proper thermal scanning and mask will be used with proper space between two customers in movie hall. Third thing is that the food material that has been given to the, what do you say, customer, some of the cinema hall will provide that, but some won't, because as per the rules and regulation from the government of India, there might be some changes. And regarding statistics, it has been found that 80% of people are willing to stick to OTT platform, and other 20%, those who are cinema geeks, they will go to watch movies. So anyhow, this rule is on a proper side, that less than 50% of seat should be filled in cinema hall. So obviously I think in the first 2 to 3 months it will be okay for the cinema hall, but after 3 to 4 months, when everyone will be eager to watch movies in cinema hall, it might be some difficult. By the way, by end of this year, vaccine will be coming. Let's hope for the good. So thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. If you like my video, then please click on like button, share with your friends, and also click on the subscribe button. If you don't like this video, click on the dislike button and write it in the comment section that what should be improved, so that I could keep that improvement in the next video. So thank you and have a nice day.